It is my distinct honor to present the Mental Health Association of Central Florida's 2014 Legacy of Champions Award to the Honorable Teresa Jacobs, Orange County Mayor.
It was a unanimous decision by the Board of the Mental Health Association of Central Florida to present the 2014 Legacy of Champions Award to Mayor Teresa Jacobs in recognition of her bold actions in creating the Commission on Youth Mental Health.
All I can say is, thank you, Mayor, for your leadership.
Thank you, everyone, so much. It is so humbling to be in your presence and to hear such kind words. Way more than I deserve, to be honest with you. This is such a collective effort, and there are so many people like Candy, who have worked for so long, silently working hard behind the scenes to make sure that when people do reach out to get help, they have somewhere to turn and some idea how to get it. So, Candy, thank you for your leadership. Thank goodness there is a place to turn. For those who do come to terms with what's going on, they can turn to the Mental Health Association. That's why it's so important that you're here, and it's so important for those of you who are sponsored to table. You don't know how much that means to what the association does.
Well, this is an exciting day because this means that we have another champion for mental health issues, and it's our own Orange County Mayor, Teresa Jacobs. It's a wonderful day. We don't often have new champions. We've had wonderful champions in the past. We had a wonderful champion in our last one in 2011, Lars Holman, but we are thrilled that our Orange County Mayor is really stepping up on mental health issues and being a leader.
Well, it's a great event to recognize some people in the community who have really come together and really over the years have committed themselves to really helping do something about those in our community that have mental health needs. They ought to be congratulated because years ago it was kind of a taboo topic. People didn't talk about mental health issues and mental health needs. But now in this community we actually have a Youth Mental Health Commission. We're talking about needs, particularly as it relates to children. So all these people are to be applauded today for making it a topic that we all need to discuss and come together as a community and address.
Chief Judge Belvin Perry delivered the keynote presentation at the Legacy of Champions Community Luncheon, praising Mayor Jacobs for her leadership and for creating the Commission on Youth Mental Health.
It is indeed a great pleasure and privilege to be here today for this Legacy of Champions Luncheon, where we honor the good and great work of a tremendous leader, a tremendous person, Orange County Mayor Teresa Jacobs. As a community leader, Mayor Jacobs has done so much for business, trade, job creations here in Orange County. But you know, when we stop and pause for a moment, she's done much more. And sometimes we overlook how much she has done for the individual citizen, and more particularly those of our community who are less fortunate and struggling. This includes what you've heard about earlier, the mayor's initiative behind the Youth Mental Health Commission. To our mayor, Mayor Jacobs, I'm honored to be a part of this celebration here today, and I'm humbled to have the opportunity to serve by your side the people of this great community.
So as I accept this award, I don't accept it on my behalf. I sincerely could not do that. I accept it on behalf of every single one of you who recognizes how important this is. You talked about stigma. If there's probably the greatest challenge we have to overcome. How many of you know somebody with cancer? I think we all do. And when you have a friend going through chemo and their hair is falling out, do you think that they're weak? No, you think they're strong.
The Mental Health Association of Central Florida is a not-for-profit organization providing mental health connections and guardian advocates to those while in crisis. For more information, please go to www.mhacf.org.